Hey y'all, it's Kristen, and I have a Michaels haul and maybe some other stuff. Depends on how long it takes me to do the Michaels haul. Michaels was having a really good sale on washi tape and scrapbook. I don't know. They had a really good sale a couple of weeks ago. So, I was really liking the backyard table collection. So, I got a lot of the stuff that goes with it. Look at this washi. Can you see all the different ones? I love the butterflies right there. This one says, always be... Huh. I don't know what that says. I can't see it. Anyway, it's really pretty. So that's backyard table, I think. Yeah. And it was on sale, I don't know, it was really cheap. This is not backyard table, but I really liked it. It's a lemon kind of washi. It says squeeze the day. I don't know. I'll just let you look if you can see it. I'm probably going to watch this video back and y'all won't be able to see anything. This washi, and I have some more backyard table stuff, but I'm just grabbing as I go. It has stamps on it. Airmail. So anyway, I like that. I also got some of these, and this has black in it. Some of these, this needs to be wiped off. These trays that go in drawers. So I got the little ones and the more rectangle ones. It's good for separating stuff out. I also got me one of these thread organizer things, or, you know, it holds thread. I actually got two of these accidentally. I don't know if they charged me for two. I think they did. But it was an accident. But the way I'm buying thread, it'll probably be used. Is this? Oh, this is more. Okay. There's two of these. I know Maura's going, see? Again, you don't know what you got. So, these are really pretty. I'm really hoping you can see that. That's backyard table. This also is backyard table. These flowers. These are butterflies. Yeah. These are actually butterflies. And then these are flowers. And this, I really liked these. These are print. Some print and some are solid. But they're really pretty. And I also got these stickers that are backyard table. They're shaker stickers. Really cute. And this sticker book also. I'm not going to go through every one, but I love these. And these, I think these are vellum butterflies and flowers. Then I got two of these. They're the 6x6. There's also a 12x12. Candy is getting me that one because I couldn't get it. I'm not going to go through every one, but it's a very pretty paper. There's some purple. Okay, there's that one. And then this is a different. That's really pretty. Okay. And then I got a 12x12 of that same collection. So, I mean, it's the same thing. Well, some of it's different. A little bit. Alright, so I got that. And then I got I don't know why, but I got these little photo corners. And I got this thing of flowers. Like I need any more flowers. Okay. That is Michael's. And now I'm going to show you. Look at these that I got this today. I went to get Easter basket stuff for my kids, even though they're grown. Look at these little sticky notes. Butterflies. I love these right here. This for I got these at Walmart. I don't know if I said that already, but that's got Easter on it. But most of these are just, you know, springtime. I really like that one too. This one and this one. I really, honestly, I can't see if I'm in frame. The way my phone's sitting. Okay. Then I got, okay, the pen that I showed you in the last video that I got from Michael's. I also got one from Etsy in this color. Very pretty. And this is from Rosie Cat Plants. I will leave a link in the description box. From Amazon, I got the fine liner, or the fine line applicator. That's what it looks like right there. Just in case anyone doesn't know, I'm sure most people do. But honestly, you know the thing I got at Hobby Lobby, and it's really for paint, and I said if it wouldn't work, I was going to give it to Candy. Well, I gave one to her, and I kept the top of one and stuck it in my glue. It works really well. So, just an FYI on anybody. I lost the top of my glue, so that worked out really well. And I got these little bows. I was going to make paper clips, or I don't know. I'm going to do something with them. These came from Amazon. And they weren't very much either. I think they came from China. This, let's see. I told you where the pen came from. Where? Okay, I got a bunch of sequins from this place right here. Cartwright's Sequins. Since we're doing shaker cards and all that. And I didn't know, you know, I just have always just gotten some sequins. I don't know what the sizes are. So when I went to buy these, they said, okay, do you want 3mm, 4mm? I didn't know what to buy, so look at these tiny things. But I still feel like they'll be good for shakers. And these are little tiny flowers. They're really pretty. There's multi, and then these, like iridescent clear things. Here's some flowers, but in white. And they're not bad prices either. And then in pink, little flowers. And blue. Then I got these green. I don't know if I showed these already. These are little flowers. And then this confetti looking stuff. Also, speaking of sequins, y'all know those magnetic things that I got that I said I was going to put on the edge of my Rascog to put sequins in? Well, I got this from eBay, and it's actually like a Whole Spices or whatever. But they also do really well for sequins too. So, I'll put a link down in the description box where I got this one. Just in case anyone's interested. And those things that I've got for the Rascog, they work really well too. Just be careful of the lid. I was showing them to Candy the other day, and the lid came off, and the sequins went all over the stupid floor. So, of course, I blamed it all on her. I said it was her fault. Okay, this is a Noel Mignon kit. I was really excited about this kit. This is the April. Is that right? Yeah. This is the April Noel Mignon kit. It's called, I think, Vintage Spring. But this kit is really pretty. And hang on, because I forgot to take it out of the... I haven't even opened it yet, which is very rare for me. Just a minute. Okay. The papers are this one by Crepe Paper. I'm just going to put it down like this. So you got that side, and then the other. Oh, it's Maggie Holmes Flourish. I know that looked familiar. I have that collection. Another Maggie Holmes Flourish. And that. And then we have that. Another. Very pretty. That one's okay. Very bit mixed media looking. Oh, this one too. That's pretty cool. And that side looks like stained glass windows. That's what it reminds me of. And then this. All of these are the Maggie Holmes Flourish. And then you have these. What are these? Quail? I don't know. It looks like it, kind of. Then we have still more of the Flourish. I'm glad that we got some more of this because I really like this collection, obviously. And then this one. And then this one. I like that one too. It's watercolor. And then we have some pink paisley. Which has a bunch of words. I'll hold it up. I don't even know if you can see that or if it's making a big shadow. We also get, well, I'll save these for last. They're in the middle. Okay, this one is pink paisley also. This one is Cartabella Spring Market. I like that big gingham. Is this 2 pieces? No, it's just thicker. This one's pretty too. I like that. Another Cartabella Spring Market. I actually thought about getting this collection, so I'm very happy to get this. I love the boots right there. Can you see all the way to the top? Okay. Then another Spring Market. Oh, that's pretty. And another one. Love that. Yeah, I think I might get that collection. And then you get some cardstock in a dark blue or navy, a pink, a green color, a white, and a black. Alright. Also, the bigger embellishments. This is what? Heat Wave Stencil. I'm not sure what this is about because I don't have that tool right there. I don't know. Candy or Amelia or somebody's going to have to tell me how to use that. This is, or can you just use it as a regular stencil? I mean, it acts like you can. Or looks like you can. I don't know. Then you have the chipboard phrases from Spring Market, Cartabella. So I'll just show these real quick. We have some alphas from Pretty Little Studio, and these are different. I like these. We also have some stickers from the Maggie Holmes. Oops, sorry. Crap. Okay. There you go. I'm sorry. I was itching my shoulder and I jacked it up. This is from the Flourish collection. And we also have these stickers, which I think are awesome. I've never seen any like this with the vines and flowers on it. So these are nice. I got some ampersands down here, and then these little, I don't know, dashes, or I don't know what they're supposed to be, hyphens. Okay. Is this making a glare? I hope not. Alright, also for the smaller embellishments, we have a couple of pieces of ribbon, or maybe just one. Usually there's 2. I don't know. I only see one right now. This is usually from May Arts. So, and it's usually a yard of this white with the stitching in it. Then we have 2 washi. 2 rolls of washi. It's thin washi. One's a pink polka dot. And this one's a that. We have some paper clips. This is a whole paper clip thing again. Like last time when I didn't know what the heck I was looking at. These are tulips. So we have 3 white ones and then 1 pink one. Yay! I knew what they were. Alright. These are stuck. Okay, so we have some Prima flowers. We have a thing of ink. It's Lawn Fawn ink. It's called Juice Box. I guess it's purple. Just going by the lid there. These are 2... These feel like resin. It's a star and a heart. We got a little thing of Sequins from Pretty Little Studio in kind of a bronzy gold color. We have some enamel dots from Cartabella that go with the Spring Market collection. We also have this that go with the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. What is this? Oh, it's decorative trim in a gold. Oh, cool. It's like, I have some of this except it's in green. It's the leaf one. I like that. We have some die cuts. Here's some tags first. Or maybe this is considered die cuts too. So I think this is from the Flourish collection. So we have that. Y'all hear my computer over there finally updating? We have that. I love houses. This piece of vellum. Yeah, this is from the Flourish collection. Maggie Holmes. That one. And that. We got a stamp from Lawn Fawn. Oh, that's cute. Happy Easter. And we have these dimensional sticker things. Those are nice. So I'll hold it up. And we have tiny little bows that are really cute. We also have a couple of flare. Oh, it was the flare that I was trying to figure out the last time, not the paper clips, with the ampersand and some hearts on it. There's another paper clip with a tulip, a frame, a wood frame, and this is really pretty. And then another resin piece that fell off that other thing. It's a butterfly. Okay, so that is the Noel Mignon kit. I'll leave a link to her website down in the description box if you want to go check them out. And I don't know what else I said I'd leave a link to, but if I did, then I will. I'll have to go back and watch this video. I can't remember. I still have some Happy Mail to show in a video. Let's see, I have Happy Mail. Is that it? That may be all. I have some Happy Mail. Okay, I think that's all. I was sorry, I got sidetracked. Thank you so much for watching.